Okay, so we have the deer meat marinating in some of this barbecue sauce here, a little spicy. It's not a whole lot, but hey, you know what? Whenever I can get my hands on some good backstrap, I will take what I can get. So let's throw these puppies on here. Oh yeah. Well, let's get all that juice. Got some blood in there. Guys, here's my little deer backstrap tenderloin steak medallions. I just can tell they're just going to be awesome. But let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Again, like I said, not a whole lot of meat, but whenever I can get my hand on some deer, I always do. And I always like to cook my meat really well, so that's another problem. Oh, that is phenomenal. That is just so good. Yum. So good.